Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the skincare community, especially for those seeking that perfect glow. I'm talking about the Freeman Clearing Peel-Off Clay Mask, often hailed as the best lemon mask on the market. So, if you're looking to brighten your skin and even out your complexion, stay tuned as we explore this amazing product. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes this peel-off mask so special. The Freeman Clearing Peel-Off Clay Mask is infused with the refreshing scents of sweet tea and lemon, both known for their skincare benefits. This mask is designed not just to exfoliate but also to tone and clarify your skin, making it a two-in-one powerhouse in your skincare routine. This 6-ounce tube is packed with antioxidant-rich ingredients that work to protect your skin from environmental stressors. Tea extract is a standout component, renowned for its ability to shield skin from damage while providing that much-needed hydration. Lemon extract, on the other hand, is a natural brightener. It helps to fade dark spots and gives your skin a luminous glow. It's like having a spa treatment in the comfort of your own home. Applying the mask is a breeze. Just start with clean, dry skin and apply a thin layer over your face, steering clear of the eyes, eyebrows, and lips. I recommend taking your time during this step to ensure even coverage. Once applied, let it sit for about 15 minutes, or until it's completely dry. You'll feel it tightening as it works its magic. Now, when it comes time to peel it off, that's where the fun begins. The mask comes off easily in one piece, which is satisfying and makes for a mess-free experience. After peeling, a quick rinse with warm water helps remove any residue, leaving your skin feeling fresh and clean. What's truly impressive about the Freeman Clearing Peel-Off Clay Mask is its effectiveness. Users often rave about the instant brightness and smoothness they notice right after use. The clay works to detoxify your skin, absorbing excess oil and impurities without over-drying, which is perfect for those with normal to combination skin types. Let's talk about the ingredients. This mask is free from parabens, sulfates, phthalate, and mineral oils, which is a huge plus for those mindful of what goes on their skin. It's also 100% cruelty-free and vegan, aligning with the values of many eco-conscious consumers today. For best results, you can incorporate this mask into your skincare routine a couple of times a week. It's a great way to treat yourself and keep your skin looking its best. Plus, the 12 uses you can get from one tube make it an affordable option for anyone looking to enhance their skincare game without breaking the bank. So, if you're on the hunt for a brightening mask that offers toning benefits and leaves your skin feeling refreshed, the Freeman Clearing Peel-Off Clay Mask is definitely worth a try. It's packed with nature's best ingredients and is a joy to use. Don't forget to check it out. That wraps up today's review of the Freeman Clearing Peel-Off Clay Mask, the best lemon mask on the market. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, take care of your skin and stay beautiful.